Manifest your desires while you sleep? Yeah, it works. But here's the number one thing that you must give up to make it happen. There's one thing you have to give up. Let's dive right into it. And then you can use sleep to create anything that you want. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. The only reason that ease and naturally attracting what we want is difficult to comprehend is because we're conditioned to believe that success and anything you want involves hard work. That it's hard, you break your back for it, you're bending over backwards, you gotta put in so much time. And we've been conditioned by this so deeply that we actually obstruct what we want from coming into our life quicker and faster. So, there's a lot of people that are interested in how do you reprogram your subconscious and attract what you want while you're sleeping, before bed and in bed, and use that time where you can access the subconscious, the seat of the driving force of your life, to bend reality the way that you want. And you can do that, but first you have to get out of your head that it's hard. So comment down below, success comes easily and quickly to me. Success comes easily and quickly to you. And if you believe something opposite than that, it's impossible to create miracles and to have things come to you and to manifest while you're sleeping and use law of attraction sleep techniques because you don't believe on a deeper level that it's possible. Your belief system says one thing, but your desire says the other thing, and you're incongruent. So comment down below, success comes to me easily and quickly. And I'm gonna cut a clip of law of attraction sleep technique on one of my viral videos that you can use, but while you're watching it, keep repeating this affirmation over and over and over and over again. Success comes to me easily and quickly. Success comes to me easily and quickly. Keep repeating that. Success comes to me easily and quickly. Comment it down below. Success comes to me easily and quickly. And we'll play the clip. Use this to manifest what you want while you're asleep, while you're sleeping, and to make the things that you want come to you easily and quickly, because they can, because the universe wants to conspire to help you create what you want. But it comes down to the number one thing that you have to give up, and that's the belief that it's hard, difficult, it's gonna take a lot of time. No, success doesn't necessarily equal hard work. Comment down below, success comes to me easily and quickly. Let's play it. So, law of attraction sleep technique, right? Because one of the problems people have, first of all, with being able to manifest is that somebody will say, think about your dream already realized. But what happens is the mind comes in, and then the mind is very analytical, and there's an incongruence to that. So the mind is like, no, you haven't done it yet. Somebody says, no, think from the end. And you're like, no, but I'm not there yet, so it can't be possible. So as soon as we plant the image in our mind, we reject it unconsciously immediately. And so I've been using this new technique to bypass that part of the mind. And I know there's a lot of people that have commented on my videos that have had that problem before. So picture this, right? Because we can all decide and agree, we can all agree that we manifest the quality of our life is really determined by who we are as a person, right? And people will say, well, you can't control every single thing in the world, right? You can't control every circumstance, but what we always control is who we are, right? So before you go to bed, your mind works in pictures, and there's a thing called your self-image, and your self-image is the picture of who you think you are, and that picture of who you think you are in the recesses of your subconscious mind, in the depths of your subconscious mind, is what manifests itself as your life. So when you can change your self-image, you can change your life. And the trouble is that we have never contemplated a new picture of ourselves because we're in a fixed mindset where we believe who we are is just who we are, and that's it. So, people think, well, I'm either good at making money or I'm not good at making money. I'm either good at talking to, somebody that I find beautiful and potentially a romantic partner. I'm either good at it or I'm not a smooth talker, right? It's either, well, I have a good job or I don't. And we believe we are these certain things about ourselves. But all those things is a reflection off of who we have been and what we continue to believe. But the thing about a belief is that it's just a thought that you've decided consciously or unconsciously, and you can change it at any second. When you change the way you view yourself in a relationship to money, love, romance, happiness, career, success, then those things in your life change. So your mind works in images. Your subconscious mind is most accessible before you fall to bed. So your conscious mind is responsible for only 5% of your life. Your conscious mind is the part of you that's like, here's what I want, and I want this thing, and oh yeah, that'd be great, and this be this. It's your reasoning mind. It's your analytical mind. And so when you say, I want to manifest $100,000, I want to manifest my dream relationship, or whatever it is, that's your conscious mind. But the problem is the subconscious is actually what creates our life. And the reason that's a problem is because psychologists say 95% of our life is subconscious, is unconscious, and that we have 65,000 thoughts in a day approximately. So 95% of all the thoughts, feelings, and actions that you have are unconscious, and they're pre-programmed from our world, our culture, our parents, and it goes down this cycle. And we have a very negative culture, and the reason it's like that is because advertisers want you to feel like you're not very smart, so you buy things that you don't need from them, random appliances and things that you don't need. And so they perpetuated a system where they want our self-image to be as low as possible, because the lower your self-image is, the more needy and unhappy you are, and the more you perpetuate a consumeristic society where you buy things you don't need at all, right? And that's the way it works. So they want unhappy people. The major banks, the major controlling elites of companies want that. And so when you understand that, then you can say, okay, well, the only reason I think the way I think about myself is because I've been programmed negatively. And so that self-image is controlling 95% of your life. But the good news is you can change it. So when you're going to bed, your conscious mind shuts down. That's what allows you to go to sleep, right? Eventually you stop thinking so much, you relax. Yeah, I'm getting tired right now while I'm doing it. No, I'm just joking. But what happens is, the conscious mind relaxes and we can start to access the subconscious mind. So the practice is, before you're going to bed, instead of thinking about the things that you want and enacting the analytical mind to say, yeah, but you don't have those. Yeah, but you don't have, no, here's why it doesn't work. What you do is you start focusing on the person that you desire to be. Really, the desire is already manifested, because the growth of who you can be is a natural process from within yourself. You already are a master at money. You already are capable and have everything you need to create your dream job. You already can have the amazing relationship and health and adventurous life. You have it all. You don't need anything outside of yourself. And when you grasp that, then any image you form of who you can be, it's already within you, meaning that you already are that person. Jim Rohn said that success is something you attract by the person that you become. So when you change how you view yourself, and thus who you are upgrades, then the results in your life change. So before you go to bed, when you're accessing the subconscious mind, because your self-image is a pattern program in the subconscious mind, and when you go to bed, you just close your eyes and you start imagining like the real you, like the you when you're in total flow, you've got no fear, you're not letting negative thinking and silly things hold you back, that you, right? So imagine that you, and you close your eyes and you see that. You see yourself walking into the awesome job, huge smile on your face, you're becoming a leader, you're becoming great at speaking in front of people, you're walking over to that beautiful person, that attractive human being, and you go over there and you talk to them, and you're just yourself, and you have a great time, and it turns into a great romance, and you're manifesting more money than ever, and you're in your dream house, and you have this huge smile on your face, and you're so great with people, and you're connecting on such a deep level, and you feel such a deep connection and relationship with yourself. See all of this in your mind. And before you go to bed, you spend the last 10 minutes until you doze off in that place. And what happens is you start to access the subconscious, because before you go to bed, you're moving into hypnotic brainwave states where you're able to use suggestion more easily to change subconscious pattern plans, such as your self-image. When you change the way you view yourself, you change who you are and how you show up. When you change who you are and how you show up, you change the things that you attract into your life to more better, awesome, beautiful things. So start imagining the person you want to be before you go to bed. Allow that to seep into the treasury of your subconscious mind, and when you change your self-image, your life will absolutely change. So see all the amazing, beautiful things and recognize that you already have it within you. You already are the person that you want to be. It's just about releasing the fear and the doubt and the worry and the past, and upgrading our perception and our happiness and our smile, and being more courageous and confident and da-da-da. Isn't it exciting? So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, teaching you a secret sleep technique that I've used to manifest my desires, and I know that they're going to work for you too. So download my free success hypnosis too. You'll want to listen to that before, because we want to get rid of those negative thoughts. We want to change those. We want to switch the record player. So I created a free success hypnosis that you can use to start to change the pattern plan around your relationship with success. JakesHypnosis.com. Be sure that you press the subscribe button in the corner. Comment in what you're going to do and when you're going to start using this technique. I hope that you have an amazing day. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.